Today we're at Triple F Automotive in Fort Worth, Texas. Triple F has a lot of classic cars that they build themselves, they sell to the public. They have an open to the public showroom, and the manager here, Doug Berry, has given me permission to film inside here. I'm going to take you on a trip and show you what they have to offer. Let's get started. So here's Triple F's open to the public sign. As you can see, there's not much out here in the parking lot, probably because of all this construction that's going on here in Fort Worth. But inside is a whole nother story. Feast your eyes on this. So this is the Triple F collection. They have a lot of amazing cars in here. 1968 Mustang GT 350 Fastback. The windows aren't down on that one, so can't see inside. I'll try to do as little talking as possible and just let you feast your eyes on the cars. '64 Austin Healey. This one here is not for sale. There's a sign on it that says not for sale. And please do not touch it. So these windows are up on these here, so it's throwing a reflection out. So I can't really... Look at the interior of the Austin Healey. Wow. And this build, I think Doug told me, is not new. This thing is so clean. There's not a mark on it. It is flawless. Look at that. The Broncos. Hello, ma'am. Look at the Broncos. Triple F built this one with the 5.0 Coyote engine. There's no room to do anything in there. It's stuffed in there all the way. Here's one of their own in-house builds right here. Look at that. Wow. Has baseball string stitching on the seats. I'll go back to this first one and let you see what the suspension looks like. Look at the work. If these ride down the road and you see them as an old, most folks probably just see this as an old Bronco without even really knowing what's really going on. '57 Corvette. Look at this, man. Wow. this. 1968 Camaro Resto Mod. Says it's not for sale. Look at that stance. This one is sold. 1964 Corvette convertible, sold. Man, look at the cleanliness of these cars. These things are tanks. Look at this trunk. There's probably a couple of cars these days that can probably go inside of that trunk. You can't really tell from this video, but that trunk looks like it's about 4.5 to 5 feet deep. And this is a convertible. Look at the size of this thing. And it's a convertible. There's not a Suburban built today that's as long as this car. And it says right here that if you get a car from them, financing is available. 1969 Ford Mustang. Look at the Nova. This Nova is amazing. Look at that stance on it. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. This is a 1966 Nova. They have some amazingly beautiful cars in here. Wow, man. Bench seat, 1967 Nova. Look at the work on this. Look at this Mercedes. '58 SL Roadster, SL 190 Roadster. I think this is one of those ones with the breakaway steering wheel. Beautiful car. So I drove 3.5, 4 hours to get here, and it was definitely well worth the drive. Big old Silverado. This Cobra is do not touch this vehicle, because it's probably a real one. I doubt very highly if this is one of those kit deals. Wow, look at this in progress vehicle.
Okay, I'm not asking no questions. I don't want to know how you started your business, and I don't want to know anything about it.
Wow.
But we walked in and we got out of Philip's house. 1973
Mark IV Lincoln. There's another one there. Look at those gigantic engines, man. Look at the engine bay. That engine bay is massive. Can't really get the perspective of it from a video, but Thunderbird, Cadillac. And look at that. 1966 GT350. Wow. Let me squeeze by here without touching anything. I can't afford anything in here. Wow. This is all wood, folks. That's not wrap. That's all wood. With a spare tire on the fender.
He liked me. He and I got along fine, but I didn't know it at the time.
There's an engine on the floor over here. '68 Chevy 350. Awesome. Alright. So this was definitely worth the drive. I hope it comes out on video as well as it came out to me here. And I hope YouTube doesn't hit me up for the music that's playing, that it's playing in the shop. I didn't put it on. Look at the intake. Wow. In the trunk of the Corvette. Look at this 1953. Wow. There's a lot going on here.
Working at the airport. We jump in that and go down 36th Street in Miami and have a blast in it.
I like bus 302.
Yeah. Now, as a professional, did you think the Cleveland 351?
Financing available if you want it.
Which one do you think is the best?
Somebody had a big speaker system back here. I guess they took it out for sale.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I think that's about it, folks. Doug said they have clients from all over the world, all over the country for sure. And I don't doubt it. If you want quality work, since they do their own work in-house, they have their own body shop. They do all their own electrical work and everything. Look at this, man. AMG GTR. Wow. That's a lot of car right there. Okay. And here's the Austin Healey. So I'm going to go over here and thank Doug for allowing me to film. And then we're going to get on up out of here. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.
So, yeah, and it was built like I think that's the 20 is still flying. We're still flying them today.
Doug, thank you very much for letting me come in here and film. Sir, excuse me for interrupting you. Can you give me your address real quick for the channel?
2760 Golden Triangle Boulevard, Fort Worth.
Fort Worth, Texas. Okay, so I'm going to be on YouTube, guys. I'm just filming for the YouTube channel.
Okay, cool.
So if you guys don't mind, because you're going to be in there because you're in the video.
Oh, okay.
So
I appreciate it.
Tell people hi because they're going to wait. You're going to wait.
How you doing?
So
We're
thank
at the
you.
most exquisite place in the world that's not a museum, but they're selling the cars.
I know it's beautiful
They
in
need
here.
to sell all these cars.
It's beautiful in
They
here.
can replace them.
So the channel is called That Retired Dude.
Okay.
All one word. And I'll probably have this out in a few days.
Don't be a stranger.
I really appreciate you guys. So, bye. So there you have it, folks. The Triple F Auto Collection. Very nice people here. Doug Berry was awesome to me. He let me come in and film. No obstructions, no following me around, none of those things. These people cater to some pretty high dollar folks. If you need a very high-end car rebuilt or even built, they do it here. Give them a call, come by and visit. Their showrooms open to the public. And there you have it. I love doing these unscripted, just walk in the door videos where you can just come see things in the automotive world that you don't normally see outside of a Cars and Coffee or something like that. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, share. Please do subscribe so I can keep pushing out videos. We're having a great time doing this stuff. And I will link the video to my visit to Earth Automotive or Earth Motor Cars that I did 2 weeks ago. I'll link that to this video so you can see the contrast between the two dealerships or the two businesses. And I hope to see you again in another video. I'll link a video here or here or here or here. Check it out. And I'll see you the next time I do some more retired people stuff.